Hi viewers, are you trying all my dishes? If you have been trying all my dishes, you will be happy to hear what I am going to do now. So we will see what we are going to do. I am going to do a plum pudding. It's called plum pudding, but we will see how the pudding is done. For that, first thing I am going to do, with 2 egg whites I have to beat it and keep aside. Then thereafter we will see what we are going to do. Okay. As I told you, first thing I am going to do, 2 egg whites I need. 2 egg whites. Beat it stiff. Beat it very well and keep aside. That has to be ready before we start doing the pudding. Now right, these 2 egg whites, I am not using the yolks, only the egg whites. I will keep this aside now. We will put it away, and what I am going to do now, I have taken black currant cordial. Black currant cordial I have taken. I need 1.5 cups. With the cup, I am taking 1.5 cups of cordial. Whatever cordial you like, you can use, but I thought this black currant cordial is nice for the plum pudding. And now I need 1.5 cups of water also. Now what I am going to do is 60 grams of sugar. I am using 60 grams of sugar. With this dessert spoon, I need 1, 2, 3 dessert spoons of gelatin. I need gelatin, 3 dessert spoons. Mix it nicely. Then what I am going to do is the corn flour. Corn flour also I need about 2 dessert spoon full. Now I am thinking what else I have to use. Now I don't need any other ingredient. If you want, you can use a little milk. If not, we can use without that milk. But I am going to use it. I need marshmallows also. 60 grams of marshmallows I need. Balance I need for a decoration also. So I'll keep this balanced marshmallows for decoration. But anyway, if you like, you can use about half a cup of milk also. Cook it nicely so that all this will be diluted nicely. First thing is gelatin has to get dissolved. Corn flour will make it a little thicker. Now what I am going to do is I will take off the heat. Take it off the heat. Cool slightly. Cool slightly. I need some biscuits. That is, I have got 2 cups of biscuits. Any biscuits. Without any cream, you can use the biscuits crushed and use into this. That's the next part of it that we are using. We can use biscuits 2 cups, or you can have even, what do you want to use now? Cake also we can use. Sponge cake, butter cake, whatever you like you can use into this. It's a plum pudding, so remember we add all this together, mix it nicely. See, into this I am using about 60 grams of cashew nuts. 60 grams cashew nuts and 30 grams sultanas. Candied peel, 30 grams of candied peel. And a few dry cherries I am going to use here. dry cherries. All this mixed together. I said 2 egg whites I have beaten. I add that. Actually, I am not using the egg yolks. We don't need the yolks here. So, we add this only. Mix it nicely with the egg whites, stiffly beaten egg whites. Mix it well, and what I could do is, now that I have mixed all this together, we will beat it once. If I beat once, it will be better. So what I am going to do is, I am going to beat this once just to blend all this together. So it has got nicely blended together. That's all, just to blend it once, mixing it all together. Now we need a bowl. Can you see this? A bowl with an oil paper at the bottom. Butter it nicely, and then I am going to use this mixture. I don't have to use any other essence because the blackcurrant cordial itself has a good flavor. Since there is a good flavor in it, I don't need vanilla, I don't need any other essence. Whatever you like, you can just use any other cordial also. But I prefer the blackcurrant cordial, which is much more tastier for this plum pudding. So we will do this. Keep it. Now this plum pudding that I have done here, I will cool this for a little while. Just a little cooling I need. Like, it's hot, no? Cool a little. Keep it in the fridge. If I am in a hurry, in the freezer for half an hour or 1 hour. If it is going to be kept for a while, then I can take it after 2-3 hours. It will be set. This is my plum pudding. You can see the plum pudding how it looks, because what I did was I kept it in a little bit of warm water and turned it back, and it looks really nice. This is the plum pudding that I have done here, and we will see how it's going to look like. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make a cream. To make the cream, what I will use now is 1 cup milk, 2 teaspoons of corn flour I need. Mix it nicely. Now I will put into the bowl. I have to cook it nicely till it gets thickened a little. And I need a little sugar also. Say roughly 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of sugar also I put. We are going to cook this. While I am cooking, I will add about 2 teaspoons of butter also. That also I will use. Cook this till it gets thickened. It's a cream that I am making, so the cream should become thick now to pour it over the plum pudding. To pour it over the plum pudding, we will see this, how it comes. Oh, lovely. I will take it out soon, and I need a little essence. Now, either you use almond essence, whatever essence you like you can use. Almond essence I can use, or rum essence if you like, rum essence also we can use on this. Any other essence, pineapple or vanilla, whatever essence you like, you can use it here. And I need a little whipping cream, which I like to use here, a bit of whipping cream also. Say about half a cup of whipping cream. That is if you like only, otherwise you can omit this cream. Once I mix this well over the plum pudding. else what I can do is, I can keep the cream separately and use it as we want it. Use these marshmallows also on top of it. See how it comes. Balanced marshmallows. I just cut it into small pieces, the marshmallows, so that we can use this. It's more suitable for festive time. So we can have this also for festival. Think it's yummy, I would say. It's yummy, isn't it? This is the pudding that I have done for you. It's a plum pudding which anyone, any festive time. Why should you wait till a festive time? Anytime you can serve this. When there are guests coming, or you can even have it at home. You can enjoy a full meal with the plum pudding. So you will enjoy all those recipes if you keep watching my YouTube channel. And I will come back with another recipe very soon. That is next Friday I will show you. So watch till then. I will come back now. Till then, bye from me now.